I'm Elana Horwich of Meal and Spiel, and I am going to teach you how to make the best juicy salmon in 8 minutes. So let's first of all talk salmon. You want to get salmon from your fishmonger and ask them to remove the skin. This is going to help us cook it perfectly in just 8 minutes. You want to cut your salmon to about 1-inch thick pieces, and we are going to place it on a pan with tin foil. This salmon is going to be cooked under the broiler, which means it's going to be very close to the flame. If you're not familiar with your broiler, go to my video, What the Fuck is My Broiler? And I will explain it to you there. But we're going to start by putting lemon, and that is going to, one, freshen up our salmon, get rid of any fishy taste, but also, you know, oven fires can happen. I hate to say it, but this is why you want water on your salmon. Next, we're going to do some salt. Salt it all the way up and down. And next we're going to do some tamari. Tamari is a wheat-free soy sauce. I use it often. It's going to add a touch of umami, so it's like a sweet and salty together. Next we're going to use dried thyme, and you can be generous with it. Pepper. No dish is ever complete without olive oil. So just put a line of olive oil down each fish. This is going to go under our broiler for 8 minutes. It is perfect and it is juicy. And I want to tell you about this salmon. It's great right when it comes out of the oven, but it's the kind of salmon that stays juicy. So you can make it in large quantities if you want to and have it out on a buffet. I have done that many times. Put it in there 8 minutes, do another tray, another 8 minutes, and you can feed 40 people really easily if needed. I can't wait for you to tell me about your juicy salmon at home.